Today I'm going to show you how to tie the bowline with Yosemite Finish or the Yosemite Bowline. This is a variant of the ever popular and probably the best knot you could ever learn, the bowline. The benefit to this one is it's a little bit stronger than the regular bowline, and it puts the working in line with the standing end, so it's outside of the loop. It actually goes down. Makes it a little bit better knot in my opinion. Let me show you how it is tied. So the first thing we need to do is make the bowline, and we're going to do what's called the snap method. So you turn a loop there, then you roll that loop over your standing end, and then you pull a small loop of the standing end through. Then you come from the outside, bring it back up to the top of your loop, and then pinch and pull, and that forms your bowline. Now to form the Yosemite bowline, you need a little bit of slack. To finish this off, you want to take your working end, go under your loop, come back down inside of your loop like so, and then fish it through the same way that your standing end goes out, and then you can tighten it all up, and that is your bowline with Yosemite Finish. That's the top side, and that's the bottom side, or vice versa. I'm going to show you one other way that you can tie the bowline. It's kind of a fast tie. This is in the event that you wanted to tie the bowline around you, like you would take the rope around your waist and you needed to tie the bowline off or tie yourself off. So what you want to do is grab in your dominant hand, leave about 2 or 3 inches out the end of the rope. You want to cross over your standing line. You want to capture it, and then at that point you'll roll, and that forms your loop. Then you can reach under your standing line, pull the rope through, and send it right back in where your hand is already at. And at this point you can pinch it all together, open it up, and then you have your bowline. Now to finish the Yosemite, you'll again go outside of the loop, then back down, and send it right back out the same way that your standing line exits, and then tighten it all up, and you have the bowline with Yosemite Finish. This is actually probably the one that I tie the most because I like the fact that, first of all, it's just stronger, and I like the fact that the standing end, or I'm sorry, the working end gets pulled to the same side or parallel with the standing end. It's actually a little cleaner loop in my opinion. This is the bowline with Yosemite Finish.